guys. So I'm not doing an intro today because this is taken to the car shop and in like about a couple minutes. So I really want to get this out of my system before it goes. So I can just make a video for today. Okay, so my mom got into a car crash today, and look, that part's pulled off. And look, her license plate has these bolts in them, right? And then look, it's pulled off. It's crazy. And then look, this is literally fractured. Look at her trunk. She's really pissed off right now. And look down there. Look at those dents. Ooh. And then the trunk won't even close. And then look, has a big dent in it. And then the Ultima sign. Ooh. And look, it just goes right back up. Okay, let me get under. There's that part. You guys see that? Look, so this part's like almost broken. That's pretty much broken. It's mine as well as broken. And then look, that part is literally just like down. He got under there really good. And then look, Mom's really upset. Let's look inside of the car to see if like anything happened. Mom's really upset because we just got this Nissan Altima, and she's really upset, so. Look over here. That's my dog's bed. The car's totally fine. Nothing's wrong with it. It's just, ooh, scary, and my mom's really pissed because it's a Nissan Altima. She, like, literally got it a couple weeks ago. Ooh. Look, the trunk won't even close. And, oh, look at this part. I don't even know how because I know she didn't leave that open. It's not opening. But, ooh, she's really upset. Look, this part comes off. Ugh, really scared. My mom's really upset, so we're going to the ER, the patient first, because she says that she really feels like she's hurt. So we're going there. Let me turn my camera the other way. So we're going to patient first, just make sure, because she said her back, like right in this back area, which you can't really see, but right back there really hurts. And she said that her, let me take in my password real fast. Sorry, I'm just getting so distracted today. But, so I can't show you my password, so let me just do that. Okay. So my mom's really upset. You want me to see my drawing? Sure. So I got her in Minecraft. Oh, I want to show you how to make pencil. So basically, you'll need a hopper. Okay, you can do that.
Play.
You can do that on your own.
Alright, y'all guys, just go.
Oh, his glasses just fell off.
Oh my god.
And I got that on camera too. So, my mom's so upset right now. She's just like, ah. So we're going to patient first to make sure everything's okay. And that she's okay and is safe and, all those good stuff. And there's my brother watching the video.
I can't see.
Where's Sunday?
Outside. I just heard a bark.
Oh, okay, Joe's out there, right?
Oh, cool.
Okay, so, yeah, my mom's going to patient her because she said that her knees kind of hurt and that her, back hurts, so, yeah. I'm making this video short because my camera's really about to die, her car, ooh. So, that's pretty much the end of the video. I'm showing you her car. I'm so upset for her. Oh, look, there's Sunday! Sunday!